Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Prabhu, you told in the beginning of the class that from these 24 elements of material energy, all sense perception or sense experience that we are having is produced, is manifested from these 24 elements of material energy. So my question is, this belief or conviction, what are the material elements involved, combined to produce this any conviction or belief, we say?
Produce what? Mic little.
Conviction or belief, from which material elements from the combination of which material elements out of these 24 material elements it is produced?
Beliefs.
Yes.
False ego, mind, subtle belief is a subtle energy, subtle combination. Manas, buddhi and ahankara, three together creates beliefs. So, a thought, a feeling, and an ego, an enjoying ego.
To change any belief, we have to take care of these material elements. We have to move them.
Huh?
To change any belief or to do some configuration changes with this belief, we have to do these material elements we have to deal with.
No, you don't have to do. You simply every day hear Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. When you hear Bhagavatam, that Shabda has got such a power, you do not know what is happening to you. Submissively you hear. Automatically these beliefs are breaking. You get freedom from all these beliefs. We are not in retail business, we are in wholesale business. How many times I have told this? We are very lucky. We are in wholesale spiritual business. Not take one anartha, throw it, and take another anartha, throw it, take another anartha, throw it. There are infinite anarthas. The process is infinite, it will never end. But you need to know what these anarthas are so that you don't embrace new ones. So knowledge is required. Knowledge of these anarthas is required, not for pulling out one by one anarthas. Knowledge is required to identify it as anartha, because constantly Maya is trying to bombard us with new anarthas. Regarding sitting, what is sitting, old anarthas in our subtle body, by Nityam Bhagavata Seva it will go. New anarthas, if you are embracing, what can do? If you don't use your free will to reject it, what can be done? Krishna will say, okay, that means you are still interested in it. So knowledge of these things are very important. Knowledge of these anarthas are important. Knowledge about their beliefs are very important. This is a false belief. This is a false ego, the mode of goodness, badness, all those things, very important. But how to remove them is by our bhakti process. And knowledge about them is useful so that you don't allow new things to come into you. Past is dealt in a different way. Grandaraj Srimad Bhagavatam. One question, Stoka Krishna.
The knowledge also is coming from the holy name itself. Vidyavadu Jivanam.
Pardon?
Knowledge also is coming from the holy name
Holy
itself.
name.
You don't have to do anything to acquire that knowledge separately.
Right.
The proper chanting itself will shine, the knowledge will shine in the heart.
The entire knowledge is revealed from the holy name. When we try to read from Bhagavatam, when you read Bhagavad Gita and all, you try reading without chanting, nothing will come from that knowledge. So all the reading, all these things, this Shabda, all the Shabdas are secondary to Nama Shabda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. They are also wholesale. One mantra, one Shabda. Grandaraj Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai, Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada ki jai.